Giggles and grapes.
Let's learn about the animals under and above the sea in just 5 minutes.
Today, we're going underwater to explore the deep sea and meet some of the coolest creatures ever. Look at the dolphins. They love to play, and they can swim super fast up to 25 miles per hour. Dolphins are so smart, they even help each other when they're in trouble. They're the ocean's best friends. And here comes a shark. Did you know sharks have been around since the time of dinosaurs? They have super sharp teeth and can lose thousands in their lifetime. But don't worry, they always grow back. Whoa, look at the jellyfish. They look like glowing umbrellas, don't they? Jellyfish have been around for 500 million years, and some can even glow in the dark. But watch out, they have stingers to protect themselves. And here's a sea turtle. Sea turtles can live for over 100 years. They travel thousands of miles across the ocean, but they always return to the same beach where they were born to lay their eggs. Isn't that amazing? Wow, look at these tiny seahorses. Did you know the male seahorses carry the babies? That's right, they have a special pouch. And when the babies are ready, they pop out and swim away. Whoa, there's an octopus. Octopuses are masters of disguise. They can change color and blend into their surroundings. They're super smart too. They can solve puzzles and even open jars. It's like having a brain in each of their arms. Look at this gentle giant. Whales are the biggest animals on the planet. Some are as long as 100 feet, which is like the length of 10 cars lined up. They may be big, but they only eat tiny plankton. And there's a clownfish. Remember Nemo? Clownfish live in sea anemones to stay safe from predators. The anemones protect them, and in return, the clownfish help keep the anemones clean. It's teamwork under the sea.
Today, we're visiting the zoo, and I can't wait to meet some amazing animals. We're going to see big, tall, and even sneaky creatures. Let's
go!
Whoa! Look at these big elephants. Did you know they eat up to 300 pounds of food every day? That's like eating 600 sandwiches. And look at those stripes. Zebras use their stripes to confuse predators, like lions, so they blend together when they run in a group. It's like wearing a camouflage outfit. Pretty smart, right? Shh! Do you hear that? That's a lion's roar. A lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. It's their way of saying, "This is my territory." And here's the powerful predator of the jungle, the tiger. Tigers are incredibly strong and can leap up to 30 feet in a single bound. That's as long as a school bus. They are also fantastic swimmers and love water, unlike most big cats. Whoa! Look at how tall these giraffes are. Their necks are super long so they can reach the highest leaves on the trees. Fun fact, giraffes only need to drink water every few days because they get most of their water from the plants they eat. Whoa, look at that big guy. They are amazing swimmers, using their tails to propel themselves. Crocodiles have been around for millions of years, making them one of the oldest creatures on Earth. Monkeys. They are so playful, aren't they? Monkeys are smart, too. They use tools like sticks to find bugs and nuts to eat. Some even have special calls to warn their friends about danger. Check out these pink flamingos. Do you know why they're pink? It's because they eat shrimp. The food they eat turns their feathers pink over time.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.